Hi, today I'm producing Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to Network and Internet. Tap to Internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off, you should use the same switcher. After that, you will see here all of the available networks, so select one from the networks and enter the password. If you want to see this password, click to the Show Password checkbox. After that, just tap to Connect button and wait a second. After that, you will see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. So just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn off this option, we should use this icon. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.